Alright, here we are. We just returned, Joe and I, from our little excursion. We got into a little mud, and you probably can't see it so great. Well,
or at all.
a lot of it came off, which was cool, because it was mostly water, not mud. There was some mud, but in general it was. And we had to ride on the street for about a few miles to get back over here.
Yeah.
So a lot of it came off. But let's see if you can see that. We logged 13.6 miles. And see if I can. Very cool. You have to lube these up, keep from rusting out.